your roadmap to financial independence. Now, how do you achieve your financial independence is what I'm going to tell you in this specific short video. So, the key to financial independence is you need to focus on building your assets. That means assets that put money into your pockets. आपके बटवे में पैसा आना चाहिए. So, what are those assets that typically would put money into your pockets? Some of those assets could be equity. You can buy stocks directly from the market, or you can buy dividend yield mutual funds as well, or you can buy capital appreciating mutual fund, or you can buy capital appreciating stocks as well. In fact, stocks have the potential to do capital appreciation, plus it can have the potential to give you dividends which put money into your pocket, or you can sell the stock and make profits over a period of time. And then the second asset class can be real estate. You can either invest in REITs, or you can invest in flats and derive rental income from the real estate, so thereby putting money into your pockets again. So like that, there can be many other investment avenues. You need to Google it out, see what are those assets which you can keep building, keep buying, so that you can have assets, put money into your pockets and lower your liabilities over a period of time. You can use liabilities to buy productive assets, so that those assets can put money into your pocket, and then you can pay out the loans, eventually closing out the liabilities, and over a gradual period of time you can be financial independent. 33 times your total expenses for the year is the corpus you need to have. So work towards your goal of financial independence, and all the best.